are in UDA. That objective interest is what we must pursue. And we must only pursue it through this arrangement that we have with President William Ruto. Our objective interest. Other communities are also pursuing their objective interests. Nobody can deny them that opportunity. I am here to confirm to you that Baba had intended that we continue working with President Ruto up to the end. And the end here means after he completes his second term. And therefore, the message I have today for the people of Rongo and Migori is that in this cooperation, in this movement led by President William Ruto, you are not alone. The community of the Luo Nation is united in this.